YouTube, what's good? It's your boy K-Law, back with another video, quick video. I'm about to show y'all how to make some white rice real quick. And it's pretty easy, you know what I'm saying? So all you need is a pot, you know what I'm saying, with a lid. And you know what I'm saying, don't worry about that. That ain't nothing, that's just like some, I guess, I don't know. But yeah, you need a pot with a lid, you know what I'm saying? You need 2 cups of water for 1 cup of rice. So if you're using 2 cups of rice, you're gonna use 4 cups of water. So you know what I'm saying? Basically like 2 for 1 or 2 part 1. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know what I'm trying to say, but yeah, that. So yeah. So now we're just gonna, you know what I'm saying, pour this water, you know what I'm saying, in the pot. 2 cups of water for my 1 cup of rice. You know what I'm saying? And just turn the stove on. You know what I'm saying? Let the water heat up. So, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna get the water a few minutes to heat up and we'll be right back. All right, YouTube, see the water boiling now. That's the 2 cups of water. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna pour in the 1 cup of rice. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna put the lid on and now we're gonna turn him down. You know what I'm saying? To like pretty much, you know what I'm saying, you know your stove. And then what I always do, once I turn it down, just to make sure, I wait a few minutes, you know what I'm saying, and I come back and check it to make sure like it ain't boiling too much. Cause you don't really want it to boil, you just want it to simmer. So I'm gonna show y'all in a few minutes like how I usually check it. Alright, y'all, so look, it's been like 3 minutes, you know what I'm saying? So now I'm finna just open the lid real quick and see how you see how it is? You know what I'm saying? You don't want it to boil too much. You know what I'm saying? So you just kind of want it to simmer. You know what I'm saying? And then it just like, it take like 20 to 25 minutes, maybe 30 minutes, depending on what type of rice you're cooking. Sometimes it be quicker, but you know what I'm saying? You just watch it, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes I turn it down just a little bit. Turn it down a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Really up to you. You know what I'm saying? Just let it go for like 20, 25 minutes. Alright, y'all, this white rice is done. And what a lot of people do, they usually stick a fork in it just to make sure it ain't hard, make sure it ain't no water in it. But I kind of been making it so long, so I already know, you know what I'm saying, it's done. I can look at it and tell it's done. So, yeah. But if y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up, you feel me? Like, share, subscribe. Food with your boy, man.